Hello friends. These times are testing for us teachers and our students because we don't have any contact time because of this lockdown, and digital learning material is required so that we can share that amongst our students from various using social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram or WhatsApp. Anything we can use to share the material with our students, and our student that lack of contact period effect of that will be minimized. Our two students will learn at their home and will obey all the quarantine rules also, all the lockdown rules also. Now here I am using Google Slides and screen recorder as tools to make these presentations. Now Google Slides can be obtained from Play Store. I will go to Play Store, and from Play Store, this is Play Store. Just type Google Slides will be there, and when you click Google Slides, here install button will be there, and this I have installed it already, therefore I don't have that install button, I have the update button. But on your mobiles you will have this install button. Install the Google Slides, and when you install the Google Slides, go to your launch app launcher, and from that select the Google Slides. When you double click it, Google Slides will open. Okay, from Google Slides, go to the new slide. This is the new slide, and in new slide you can choose anything. You can choose template, or you can have new PowerPoint file, or you can use the new slides files. I am using the new slides file, and a new slide will open. This slide doesn't have any background, therefore I will go to change the theme, and from change theme I will select this theme. Okay, this theme is there. Now here I will add my title. This is demo presentation. Okay, I will go to next one. I will click anywhere in the screen, and this is the new slide button, and here I will select the slide which I want, layout which I want. I am selecting this section header, and here I will add title, and that title can be anything. Here calculate square can be the title. Calculate. You can have help of the voice typing also to minimize time required for typing, but as this demonstration is going on, I am not using that voice typing for that. Calculate square, and again I will go to next one, and here we'll have that. Okay, now when you record this presentation, add slide. Okay, I will go to first slide, and there this is the menu. These three dots at the top right are menu. Now when I click it, it asks me to show speaker notes. This is speaker notes. Here you can add your speaker notes, that these are, and here also you can take help of voice typing. These are testing times for us teachers, and prepare the full dialogues of your presentation here as lecture notes, and click this tick, and your lecture notes will be there. Okay. And when your presentation is ready along with your lecture notes, then go to your launch menu or app launcher and try to find out screen recorder. There screen recorder will be there. Most of the new Android phones comes with the screen recorder, and if you don't have screen recorder with you in your phone, then from Google Play Store you can install the screen recorder. Okay, then you double click the screen recorder, its interface will open, and its interface will ask you what you want to record, and there you can click the record button, or before clicking the record button, go to your slide presentation, open your presentation, and use start the presentation. This presentation button you will click, and when you click this presentation button, your screen will be divided into two parts. One part will be the slides, your slide, and other part will be your lecture notes or slide notes. And then when you have this screen, start the recording. Okay, when you start the recording, your lecture notes will be in front of you. Go on reading the lecture notes and go on advancing the slides. Okay. Now I will show you with my prepared presentation how I am going to do that. This is my prepared presentation. Okay, and now I will start it's recording. I will start the presentation of it. Presentation I have started. Then here the three options are there. Present to a new meeting. Here new meeting, you can have online meeting, a direct live meeting with your students. You can invite your students to join the meeting. But I'm not using that option. I'm using that option to present on this device. Present to a scheduled meeting is also there. That scheduled meeting also you can record, but here I'm using present on this. When I click present on this, my screen will get divided. You will not see in the video that my screen has got divided into two parts, but when you record that, your screen will have both your slides also and your slide notes also, or lecture notes also, and you will go on reading those notes. And when you finish that, your recording is on by that time. Your dialogue will be there, and you are reading the dialogue of your presentation. You will move the slides, again read the dialogues. You will move the slides, again read the dialogues. And here I will show you how I am recording that. Here I am using this presentation to teach calculate squares of numbers. Now for that, for numbers, this trick is for numbers with unit place 1. Those numbers are 11, 21, 31, 41, 61, and like that. You can calculate squares of those numbers within fraction of seconds if you know this trick. What you have to do? You have to just break that number into two parts. One part will be the unit place and other part will be the rest of the number, like this. I have broken down 21 into two parts, 2 and 1. My first part is 2 and my next part is 1. Now we have to remember that we have to square the first part, double the first part, and put 1 as third part. You will have three numbers now. One number will be square of the first part, second number will be the double of the first part, and third number will be 1. Now this one, for 21, square of 21 we have to calculate. I have broken down 21 into 2 and 1. These two parts are there. Now from these two parts I will square the first part. Square of 2 is 4, double the first part, double of 2 is 4, and 1 I will keep as such, and square of 21 is now 4, 4, 1. These three parts I will combine together to get my final answer. Now here we will calculate for square of 61. I have broken down 61 into two parts, 6 and 1. Square the first part, 36, double the first part, 12, and 1 as such. And now here in the second part we have two digits, 12. Out of that, unit place will be kept in the answer, and 1 will go as carry over to 36. Therefore, in answer, 36 plus 1 will become 37, and 2 will be as such, 1 will be as such. Therefore, square of 61 will be 3721, or 3721. Now we'll go for the slightly bigger number, that is 121, 3 digit. Now we'll break down into two parts. The first part will be 12 and other part will be 1. Therefore, we will square the first part, that is 12 square 144. Double the first part, that is double of 12 is 24, and 1 will keep as such. Now of this 24, 2 will go as carryover. Therefore 144 will become 146, 4 will be as such, 1 will be as such. Therefore square of 121 will be 14641, or 14,641. We'll move further. And here I have concluded my presentation. That remember, this trick is only for numbers with unit place 1. Okay. We can take this trick further also. 161 we have broken down into two parts, 16 and 1. Square of 16 is 256. Double of 16 is 32, and 1 as such. Therefore 3 will go carry over. That answer will be 25921. We will move further. We'll take another number, 191. We have broken down that into two parts, 19 and 1. Square of 19 is 361, double of 19 is 38, and 1 as such. 3 will go as carryover, 364 will be there. Therefore, answer will be 36481, or 36,481. Again bigger number, that is 1211, 4 digit number. Of this two part, 121 and 1. Now 121 square will be 14641. We have calculated that earlier. Double of 121 is 242. Here 1 is as such. Now that 242's 24 will go as carryover. Therefore 14641 will become 14665, and this 2 will remain as such, 1 will remain as such. Therefore square of 1211 is 14 lakh 66,521. Within fraction of seconds we can calculate the numbers. Now your screen recorder is on at this point. Okay, therefore on your screen, that screen recorder will be seen as very transparent spot. Now you click on that, it will become conspicuous, it will become active, and when it becomes active, stop presentation by clicking that red filled square. Click that, your presentation will